What a day. Mining trades. And yes, that is right. I got an order right here for selling Bitcoin for this much money, 17,700. And man, this price is going crazy. And I have to get this on record. Yes, not trading altcoins no more. Made more money trading Bitcoin today, and now we're going to trade Bitcoin today, okay? Right from GDAX. It is 9:48 a.m. Thursday, December 7th. I just posted a whole day's worth of trading on the 6th. I did a day's worth of trading on the 6th, trading altcoins, following the news, looking at what's hot, what's not, and I ended up making money. I did. I made money. I turned what, $700 into I think what, 750 into 950, and then I woke up the next day. I had to sell it for 850. Then I got over here, and I'm just like, ooh, I could have made more money just holding Bitcoin. I got less Bitcoin than I had, and I made money. Okay, look at that, December 6th, 200%. That it's a video called 200%. In 1 day trading challenge, mining trades. Okay, now let's look at the action right here. They're buying it back up right now. I'm on GDAX, Coinbase's exchange, and they've had a couple of outages and they've resumed trading. I don't think trading ever stopped. I'm not sure, but this is interesting as fuck. I sold for like I sold like, made like 862. Then I'm trying to buy back right now for about 900 at 17,700, and I'm just looking at this. It's hard to really put this into perspective. Okay, so the price that I actually Bitcoin, okay, I got 05 Bitcoin right here. All right, the price of the Bitcoin when I bought it was 1670. I bought back in. The price was going like this. I'm like, okay, it's going to do this again. I'm just waiting on the price to get back up here. I want to make money, so I bought in down here. I bought in. What price is Bitcoin now? What price did I buy in? Okay, I'm already above. I'm up right now. I bought in at 1677, 16,770, and now we're 16,800, and I'm just waiting on the price to hit 17,700, 1,000 more. I already got the order in. It could flash up or down. It's crazy. So I got the order sitting in there. Then when I sell at that price, I'm going to put a lower price in and buy it back at a lower price. I'm not sure how high it's going to go or how low it's going to go. But I'm looking at previous supports and resistance areas as a reference point or inflection points. These are like key inflection points. 7,000. See that? Look, it's already 7,000 over here on the but up here it says 6,000. That means GDAX is they're slow. It's 7,000 right here. They got 20 sell orders right here for 17,000. I'm sorry, I said 7,000. I'm at 17,000. That doesn't matter. They're eating through 30. They're eating that up. Why would you sell right there? That's just like somebody want their money. They're just like, but don't you know it's going up to $1 million a coin? Don't you guys know that? Look at that. Look at these buy. I'm recording this right now. I'm gonna be paused recording this whole day. This is the 7th, December 7th, and we're at 17,000. What a lucky number 7 we are. In a lucky number 7, 2017. Yeah, 17,000. Yeah, Bitcoin already touched damn near 20,000 already. Okay, 19,775. Look. 17.2. Are they selling right here or what? Are they buying right here? It's going crazy. going back down. It's going back up. Look at that. Back up at the 17. Look at that. See, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That is crazy action. Like, it's going from like 16,000. What is this? From 16.3 to 17.3. That's a whole $1,000 difference right there. 17.3. 16.3. All right. I'll sell at 17.3. Buy back at 16.3. Anybody with me? I always follow my first mind anyway, so my first mind is to sell at 17,700 because I bought at 16,700. But you gotta also go with current. We're looking for immediate profits right now too, also. So that's the other thing you gotta look at and take account of. I'm gonna blurt this out. I'm gonna cancel this one. Do 17. Where is it at? 17. It's moving fast, right? 17.9, 17. Put that sell order in. Boom. 17. Buy back lower. Okay. Crazy action. This is crazy action. Seven, 900, 950. It's going down. $16,950. 16,950. I'm gonna put that in. Immediate gratification. I got an order in for 16,950. What I want to do is what I'm attempting to do is to sell up here and then buy back down here since it's already in this range. Top of the candle, bottom of the candle. So what I'll do is I'll cancel this out. And sell at the top of the candle. All right. 17 to 17. I'm going to try this new technique. We're going to do top of the candle, 17,300. Let me see, 17,295. Clicked it, and it's there. All right, just a little bit below that candle. Let's get it right here. 17. All right, now sell for that price, and then I'll buy it at the bottom of the candle down here at 16. As soon as that sells, as soon as it touches the top of that candle. All right, let's try that. See if we can capture some profits and how much Bitcoin I can get off of this trading going on up here. This wild trading session. The thing is that I'm holding Bitcoin right now, so I'm trying to sell it for more than I paid for it. That's the reason why I'm not trading from where I'm at right now, which I probably should, but I don't. I'm experimenting with a new technique since there's a lot of volatility in the market right now, which is perfect for a trader. Supposedly, that's what the great teachers of trade teach you. I'm just going to try to put some of these techniques into some of my own theories in action based on some of my hypotheses that I developed over the last couple of years in trading. I always saw these charts, these candle bars, and I was like, man, why don't I just put a buy order up there and a sell order down there, or sell order up there and a buy order down there, and see. All we need is buyers to step in right now. It's not like Bitcoin doesn't have buyers. See, that's a new candle right there. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to put a buy order down here at 16,626. Top of the candle, come on. Flash to the top of the candle, where the buyers at? Gotta come up in there and start buying some things. Oh, they're selling. Just gotta wait and see when the buyers step in. I'm looking for buyers. I'm trying to sell. I need some more buyers. I need some demand. Here's Bitcoin demand. Don't get it twisted. There's demand for this. Don't let the market fool you. Don't let the charts lie to you and make you think the market's going down. There's demand. Demand is out there. There's just a time, price, opportunity that we're trying to capitalize on. 16,821. 16,821. 16,821. 16,840. 16,846. 16,846. 16,847. 16,847. we'll get back to this. I'll just be pausing it. Oh, look, 816.8. I missed something, as soon as I pause it, All right. Pause. I resumed it because it's hitting 17,000 again. 17! There it is! It's 17 right here, but not up there. Alright, there we go. 17 filled? Nope, almost. I saw something. Why did it blur up red like that? Come on, filled. 17,200. 17,200. 17,200. 17,90. 17,150. 17,150. 17,150. Hey, babe. 17,150. I'm looking for 17,239. 17,239. Anybody? All right, we're still waiting. They might sell it back down from here, from 17,150. There's 4 Bitcoins. Okay, they sold it down past 17. Okay. All right, 17,150 was the mark. It's less than where we got in at. 17,150. All right, you're selling it back up. 17,1. 17,1. 17,140. Can we get to 17,2? 17,140. 17,149. 17. I'm just trying to capture this fill order on record. I don't want to pause it right now and then you guys don't see the fill. 17,239. Top of the candle. Come on. We don't know if it's going to touch the top of the candle. Now, this is just me, experimenting. I could take profit right now and buy back down here. I should, because we're in this for immediate gratification. 17. It seems like it's finding hella support at 17,150, 17,149. They're running into a sell wall at 17,150, 17,139. If it bypasses all of this up here, it's going to come to 17,200. We just need somebody to buy like 1,000 Bitcoins right now for it to just eat all of this up. Like Pac-Man, yeah. All right. Oh, it's almost at 200. I'm almost at my target. Come on, man. Get up there. 17,239, 17,177. I don't want to pause it. Babe, I know you're on the phone. 17,200. Come on. 17,200. 17,220, 17,223, 17,233, 17,45. Oh, filled. Okay, I'm pausing it now. Where's my money? 884. Okay, I gotta put a sell. Hold on, babe. I gotta put a buy order in for the number down here. 16. I'll put it right here. 16.7. Buy back. For how many Bitcoin? 5.2 Bitcoin. Sometimes I wonder if I should have sold it right there. That's what I be wondering sometimes. How about I'll buy it back from down here. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, but you want to Me to help you with the groceries when you get back?
Heads up, that gap to 17,500 on BTC is now filled. There's another one sitting up there at 18,750.
All right. I want way more Bitcoin than that. I want to buy this much Bitcoin. I'll never get that much Bitcoin back again. I'll never get 0.6 Bitcoin back. I'm still looking to get my 6 Bitcoin back, or at least my 4.9 back. And it's like, that is crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to trade it back, all the way back. All right, so let's go to 16. Buy 800 of it right here. Put a buy order. Put a buy order. All right, all right. Right here. How about right here? Yeah, I'll put it back right here. Damn, what happened? I'll buy back right here, 716.
Tradeometer oversold.
Right here.
ES tradeometer oversold.
I'm buying it back right here for 0.28 Bitcoin. Let's try more Bitcoin. I want more Bitcoin. Let's try this one here. 23, 16.7. All right. Well, I guess we can't be greedy like I wish. Buy that back from right there. Place to buy. All right, I'm gonna pause it. By the way, what's going on elsewhere is that Litecoin's at 97, Ether's at 426. All the alts are just red, blood in the street. That's a good time to go buy them. If you guys got Bitcoin, to go buy you some alts right now, you probably come up. Who knows? I'm not touching alts ever. All right. Pause. Look, it's trying to say I got my fill 20 minutes ago for 17,239. That just happened seconds ago. What are y'all talking about? 21 minutes ago? Okay. I'll believe that. 17 fill was that 17,239. Will Bitcoin go back down? It may never go back down. Maybe I was wrong. I highly doubt it. I'm sticking to where I want to buy my Bitcoin at. Alright. That's it. That's all. Uh-oh, here comes some sellers. I had to unpause it. Getting ready to sell this damn thing down. Like I says. Alright, I'll pause it until I really see some selling, okay? Just wishful thinking, I guess. I saw a flash of red, so that's why I paused it. I could have sold it for 17.5. Should have kept my guns. Told y'all, man, you keep your guns, you don't win. All I'll do a market buy until I see some. We're gonna try a new technique. I'll do a market buy until I see some sales happening. Then I'll do a market sell. Okay. I'll keep my finger on the trigger. So let's do a market buy. Let them get their little $2. All right. And we're gonna play it like this. Market buy. That fills for $2.20. All right, it's going up. Let's get ready for a market sell.
85 here on the BTC.
I got less Bitcoin than I had. Oh no, I got more. I have 4. All right, that's cool. That's cool. I did have 4, didn't I? Somewhere down here I had 4. I don't know. I got less. Damn, I hate getting less Bitcoin. All right, let's do a market sell. When they start selling off, we're gonna play it like this. Let's just do it live. What do they call it? What did we call that? What's the word? Live and direct. No, instant gratification trading. All right, I'm dubbing this called. This is called instant gratification trading. When I see sales coming off, I'm gonna sell. Okay, and hopefully, I think this will actually work even better. Now, remember, I'm experimenting, trying ways to really profit off of this market. I don't want to keep losing, right? I want to keep growing. So you got to actually trade with, like, live in there, instant trading. Okay, instant gratification. I'm gonna have to rebrand my channel to instant gratification trading. Gratification trading, huh? Yeah. All right. I got my finger on the trigger. Ooh, instant trigger trading. I don't know. I'm gonna come up with something. I'll come up with something. I'll pause it. Oh, yeah. You might not want me to pause this. This is instant trigger pulling going on. You don't know when this thing's gonna sell off. Like right now, look at that 8. Look at that 8. Look at that 18. They just sucking that shit up. I'm really looking at these right here. So when I start seeing this thing just, I'm gonna get ready to pull it. I'll get ready to pull my trigger. This is my trigger right here. 17, 17, 3, 5, 17, 3, 17, 4. Now I believe before it reverses, it's going to stop and then reverse, like a ball that goes up in the air and then it slows down and then it comes back down like that, and then it does the same thing. All right, that's what we're looking at. This thing's going to go up to 20,000 a day. That's what's happening. And I'm in. I got 5.5 Bitcoin. That's a lot. I just hope I can capture this sell at the top, and then, because you got to be ready, finger on the trigger. And I'm gonna record this until the next sell off. I'm not gonna pause it. So we're 28 minutes in the game. On the recording, it's 10:25. The price of Bitcoin is 17,795.
RBTC still climbing back.
17,000. 17,700. 17,709. 17,709. 17,709. 17,709, and it stops. It's not going any higher right there. 17,750. 17,785. 17,780. This is where I probably want to get rid of the trigger. 17,885. Alright, is it stopping? Okay, is it stopping? 17,785. Okay, you got to give me a second because I'm in the middle of trading, live trading. 17,860. 17,860. 17. Sell off. Boom. I'm selling mine. Success. I sold it for how much? I don't know. Oh, 875. I think I made money. I don't know. Let's get ready to buy it back. Market buy. Yes, guys are recording this. Oh, I think it's already headed back up. Shit. Buy back. Sell off. 517. I'll buy back right there. How about you guys? Fuck. Boom. Filled. Look at that shit. They're lying. Now I got less Bitcoin than I had. They're lying. Seconds ago. Filled for 17. Oh my God. That's crazy. Never do that fucking market shit again. We're going to learn our lesson from that shit. Wow, look at that. Look where it filled me at. It gave me like the worst feel. That was fucking out of line. $17.4. That shit was way down here. That shit filled me up here at 17.4. That was crazy. Now I gotta wait. Alright. Bad way to trade. You guys saw that. You saw it first. I did a market trade and that shit filled me at the worst possible price. And it was red down there. We know not now. We know what they do. They do tell you never do market orders, man. They tell you that shit all the time. 7.2. They do. They tell you that shit all the time. Now I gotta make sure I get my 17. Damn, man. Fuck. I was fucking dumb. I got less Bitcoin than I fucking had now, man. God damn. Learn the lesson. Learn the lesson, guys. Learn the lesson, ladies. Learn the lesson. Alright, I'm gonna get my money back and try this over again. 17.5. I'm just sell it for that just to get my money back. 4 minutes ago. Look at this shit. That is crazy, man. I just can't believe that, though. I can't believe it. That is crazy. Oh, man. Let me see. 17,290. It's hovering right there. Like, I don't know if it's going back up or down. I think it's going to go back down. It's hovering right. It went up and it's going to go back down, right? So let's just sell for the loss of 17,290, okay? All right. Because I'm not stupid. All right, market, limit, sell, buy, sell, 1750 for 17.2.
Alright, guess who's back?
Can you do the rest
It took a little longer than expected.
50.
Oh boy. It's cold out there.
Okay, something's wrong.
Thank you.
Some
I had a
motherfuckers.
drink.
Now they won't let me submit my thing. I will go out there in a second. Yes, I will. All right, here we go. I had to reset that.
So I sat down with them.
Okay, let's do a sell for the limit.
I did bring my lunch back there.
All of this,
So with me,
17.
yeah, maybe 2. If you got something, I also answer a lot of my Facebook messages. So, if you're out there on Facebook and you got a message from me, it's because I was waiting for my lunch to be made and I was having a drink and everything. So you probably need. All right, deep breath. How's the Bitcoin doing? It's holding up, right?
It came back to 18K, real close to it.
So you know what? This is
Filled
this is
instantly. Now I can do limit orders
So at least for another 15
like their market
years.
orders. Okay, I'm gonna pause that because I'm gonna buy back down here somewhere.
Guys, get on the Facebook. You know what?
Let's buy back down here at 16.9, 16.7.
Day trading rate. Do a search for day trading rate. Make sure you're on the right one. I think there's 2 of them. Some other people are trying to make some. You'll see the right day trading rate on Facebook. I saw your post, Paul, on my Facebook live. You heard me give you credit for all this.
17.1.
Getting me back into the Bitcoin. So, markets.
Yeah, I heard you blame me for everything.
I didn't blame you. I said I got to give credit to Paul for getting me involved in Facebook because, I was a big skeptic myself. But until you start making money in it, who knows where this thing is going? I know a lot of people
16.8.
still having issues with it. I asked Alex, the bartender, I said, so Alex, did you hear about all this stuff going on with Bitcoin? No.
Probably ain't gonna be able to get back in at that price.
I said,
I'm scared to do a fucking market order again.
Next question. Thank you, Pixie. Facebook, Day Trading Radio. Pretty simple.
What is it doing?
What I meant by that was that if it all goes to hell,
I don't care.
and we don't lose our asses, then it'll be you blame me for.
No, I won't. I don't have much.
All right, let's buy in right here.
I actually would rather see a pullback before I really invest a lot in it. It's really hard to invest a lot into it now, but seeing the strength after first of all, we see a spike in it. We see a sell-off, and then we see it halted, and then it comes back. So that's telling us it's not like
They halted it.
no.
That's what caused me to lose probably a little money, but I don't know.
You know that.
That's 17. Sell off. Sell off. Come on. Sell
I would
off.
like to know what happens when 21 million Bitcoin are finally produced. What happens? Are they going to dilute it, or are they going to the value going to go up? Because if we could figure that out, then it's an easy call from this point. Who's an expert on that? Okay. Someone's going to buy the 18,000. Is it 18,000? Jesus Christ. And excuse the
1746. I put a buy in for that. 1746. Will it feel 1746? What'd you say, babe?
All right, take care of my teacher. Thank you.
1750. It filled right there, so you guys can see that fill. I didn't get my 5 Bitcoin back, but hey,
Trade shows going to be February 20 something.
I'm going to put a sell for right up here, 17. I filled at what price? 17, so I'm going to sell at 1,000 higher. Let's go to sell this, sell for up here.
Nielsen, you know, love this setup down here. Insider buying on this one also.
I'll just wait till I come back. You know, all right, I'm not even gonna. I gotta go get the groceries. All right. Now, if you look at the price, it's hovering right here. It stopped. It went down. It stopped right here, right, almost close to where I bought back in. So we can expect it to go higher from this point. That's my assessment of the situation. When it's stuck at 1750, it's 1043. I'm gonna hit pause and go get the groceries. I had to look at that. Okay, I think it's going lower, but it's reacting so fast. I hit record. I'm gonna sell it.
That'd help me someone in Russia
For 1750. All right, limit sell order. All right, I'm right here.
High Flyer is going to be in South Korea for the Olympics on the trade show, so High Flyer is not going to be around. Whew. All right. Sucks to be High Flyer.
Actually, I'm canceling that.
Ground zero.
I'm canceling that. All right, let me turn this guy down
before the Olympics.
Because he ain't talking about what I want him to talk about. Canceling that. Look, here's the sales. Look at all these sell orders. So I'm going to sell for that price. Limit sell.
That is a tough number. No doubt I would actually pick the trade show party over the Olympics in South Korea. Hey, what are you, they're sitting in the crowd. What do they do in South Korea? Do they even have a mountain for skiing? I don't even know.
This could be the bottom though, right where I bought in at. Let me go ahead and stick to the plan because it's not going any lower right here. I thought it was going to end up going a little bit lower, but it's kind of like staying above water. So I'm going to play off that fact. Oh, there it's selling, it's buying. It's weird. I can't figure it out. Oh, okay, it's higher. It's 7. It's higher than where I bought in at. That just validates that there's still high demand for Bitcoin since there's a green candle right after 2 red candles, okay? So I'm not going to sell right now. I'm going to wait till it pushes up and slows down and follow the same thesis. And here's what we've learned in the last trade, right? Where with Berserk Gold and I hit the market and it actually sold my Bitcoin for I bought Bitcoin for much higher than I wanted to buy it for because I hit a market order, which was now if only I had put the price where I actually wanted to get it from, I would have had a way better result. But that was because at that time, now remember this, at that time it was flashing up and down, flashes up like by 500 plus and flashing down 500, negative not 500 or more, and it was doing that every second. It was back and forth, second to second, and when that happens, you can't time that. Come on now, that was like flipping a quarter. So that's where I messed up. Now we're going to learn from that. When it's flashing up and down again, I'm going to submit the price where I wanted to accept it at instead of hitting that market and trying to time the market. All right, so it looks like it's selling off a little bit. 6.9. All right, here we go. I'm going to press pause. I believe they're going to start buying back into it right here, or it's going to push lower. I wish I would have sold it. This is when you wish, hey, I should have sold it. Buyers are coming in. Unless I was ready to buy it back for 100 less, but I don't want to waste my time doing that. I would have bought it back for 16.9, which is kind of like a waste of time. So I'm kind of good right now. Pause. I gotta get this on record. I gotta record this. It went all the way down here to 16 and found like so many buyers it pushed it all the way back up like within seconds. I'm 16,000 even, and it's pushing it all the way back up. I guess I want to sell for a better price than what I bought this for, which is 17. I want to buy for a better price. I feel like it's getting pushed back up right now, so I might as well just hold my crypto until I can get a better read on the market. Hopefully I can sell it for much more than I bought it for, maybe 17.9. 36. It's right here. I just clicked it and put it in there for me. I'm gonna go ahead and enter a sell limit order. 893. That gave me less crypto than I had before, and then I'll try to attempt to buy it for lower than 17.9. Okay, place that order, and we're gonna wait till that fills. Alright. Another waiting game.
Really nice.
Yeah, I got more Bitcoin than I had before. I'm trying to get this back up to the 606 mark.
This is actually a very nice setup.
It's very difficult. Very difficult. Now we just got to let this go back up. Alright.
But underneath the
I'm going to pause it.
I already have some
Okay, I figured a neat trick out to keep this market going. What you want to do is you want to hit that, resets it to 0, and hit that to see the current money that you would actually get. Then when you see the price that you want, then you hit that sell order. That's what I probably should have done last time. Okay. We're going to review that too. Not market, but buy, and boom. So it's going lower, losing money, which is weird to me, but that's if I sold it for the market. Let's do it again.
Google here
Boom.
down, Netflix here
Yeah,
down.
how's it less than what I bought it for? 15.6.
Crashes.
Oh, I had paid $787. I don't know what the hell to say about that one. That is very weird. Very fucking weird. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know what the fuck to say about that shit. 787 USD for that. Is that what I did? I don't even know. I thought I had way more dough than that. Somebody's lying. Alright.
I'm watching the quotes here go by on the Bitcoin. And it's funny because we're seeing it just jump around that 200. What's the spread on this? What's the spread on Bitcoin?
The fee was $1.96. Okay. So let's go ahead and see where we're at.
I'm seeing this thing jump from 15,500 to 15,700, like 200 points pop there.
And bought 1 minute price to go.
I just like having this much Bitcoin because if it goes back all the way up here, boom, then what? It's $1,000 up there. $805.
Pre-printed card with temporary login for trade show activities. That's good, Phil. Yeah, we usually do a code, do kind of a code open house thing.
807.
We'll have to do that too. But we have to start thinking about it. We appreciate all the ideas. And we appreciate people being around our table, helping out. If you want to come by, if you're a member and you're going to come by and you're going to be hanging out in New York, feel free to come by, put your coat down at our table so you don't have to carry it around. Come by. We usually have a bar underneath our table that we hide. So come by for a drink.
Let's see if I get filled for 802. 800. Did you guys see that? It got filled for 799. Let's buy it back for more Bitcoin than I had.
Maybe we'll do shot classes. You know what? Let's do shot classes this year. Why not? Fill them up and hand them out.
And they're charging $2 for these market orders too, mind you.
Oh, we're gonna do T-shirts too. There's Keldar throwing the anchor out again. Our ship is sailing good, and there's Keldar waiting to throw the anchor out and kind of stop things, stop the momentum. We'll have a vape couch for tight stops. Edible section. Tape's great for me. Are we still playing Elvis? We gotta stop the Elvis here. Oh boy. Hopefully they don't get kicked out this year. I haven't heard from Rob. Rob the mailman hasn't been away.
Over trading.
I think there's better setups. Let's watch what happens tomorrow.
802.
I mean, this flash.
804. We've effectively gone nowhere. 804. 804. I'm trying to sell it somewhere up here in the 17s. Preferably 16.8 to 17. Anything above 16.8. We're not there, so just be waiting. It's a good time to buy right here. Buy. That's a good time to buy. All of this is a good time to buy. And all of this up here is a good time to sell. I bought it down here at 15.8. 70 right here. I bought right here, so I'm gonna sell right here.
Red bought 1 minute sell signal.
Okay, I sold right here at 797 with a got USD $797 USD, and it looks like it's pumping downwards. Okay, and that's why I sold right there with in an attempt to buy back at a lower rate. All right, to get more Bitcoin in my pocket. I'm gonna let this record the tape for a second. Oops, that was a mistake. I didn't mean to hit that button. That was a mistake. Oops. $7.95. This sell and this button, this sell button and this red button and this buy button and this green button looks the same. That looks so much the same. This is selling off or buying off. I mean, Jesus. This is the most difficult thing to trade. If you guys try to trade this, it's like you'll never make money. It's only built to lose money. No matter how you want to try to day trade this thing, it will never go in your favor. Like right here, this is a perfect time to buy. But if it can only slide down here some, like right there, let's put a buy order in. I will buy it right there. That's a good place to buy. Look at that. I'm still not getting any more Bitcoin than I got. That's the strangest thing. Oh, that's selling it. That's selling it right there. No. No wonder why. All right. I've already bought back in. What the fuck? All right. Let me calm down. Gather my thoughts. I can only sell up here somewhere. Okay. Buyers come in the market. This was a place where we could have bought back in. And did I buy back in right there? Kind of. It shows down here I bought back in at 16 2 minutes ago. Filled. Market order. Cost me $2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. They made $12 so far on me. Now, what we're going to do is sell up here somewhere. Because we don't know what. It's in a downtrend. Right? I can say that it's in a downtrend. We're going to play this like it's trending downwards. I don't really see anything else happening but a downtrend. So, I got 1600. I think I'm going to sell as soon as it gets up here for 811. Okay, that's what we're going to play it like, so we can make some money. All right, now we're going to start playing this as a downtrend. As long as it stays floating below this, we're going to play it as a downtrend, which is meaning when it hits here, we're going to sell. As soon as it touches this line, we're going to sell, and we're going to buy back as soon as we see it retracing back up. All right, we're going to try to do that. So I can put a sell order in for 1632 right now, right? For 11, and we're going to sell that. I'm going to get more precise with this and see how we can fare out. Play it against the moving average lines. Okay. Strategy number 3: moving average strategies. 15. That's $1,000 difference from here to here. Okay. All right. Pause. I say $1,000 differences because it looks like the market is moving in. I look from here to here is 16.2, 16.9, $700 moves. From here to here is 15. Okay. And from here to here, 15.3, 16.3. All right, let's see. From here to here, 16.1, 15.1. Okay. So from the moving average lines, there seems to be $1,000 differences. Let's see. 16.1, 3, 16.1, 3. Okay. Yeah, but from here to here, what is that? 16.8, 19. Jesus. What about from here to here? 16.8, 17.8. Okay. Now this is a crazy move right here. Looking at these moves. Make you sick. 16.8, 15. Okay. All right, pause. Lunchtime, and these people are sitting here buying Bitcoin at lunchtime. Look who's talking. Crypto traders. Wish I had more Bitcoin than that. But look at the value. $12.45. Look how long it took for me to way back to for it to get. Look how long it took. Look how long I had to wait for it to get to this price again. Tell me, wait, where the value is actually in waiting. It's not actually in the chart. It's actually in your ability to wait. And I definitely have just displayed an inability to wait. $800 right now. $16,400. What? $16,900. Come on, why does it keep disappearing? 16,900. 16,900. 17,000. 17,500. I'm gonna sell right here. I'm just put an order in right there just in case. Right here. At this level right here. Or should I do it at this level? It might be a wise move to do it at this level. I want to do it at this level anyway. What if I sold right here where it looks like it's trying to sell off at? Let's see. Damn, I'm already not even making no money. That's crazy. I'm definitely not selling right there. So right there and buy back. That's a good level. I like that level because it's finding support and resistance right here. This is a support and resistance, the first support and resistance level. I feel like it's going to bypass that and go to the next support and resistance level, which is right about here. So let's go ahead and try to make ends meet right there at that price right here at 16,926, 16,925. Okay, and then I'll put a sell order for that. Boom. Where's it at? Orders. Oh, it's way down there, huh? Okay, that's cool. All right, Paul. 1649. It was at 16,455. Does it show me high and low? Let's see. High 16,468. 6846. The low was 46. The volume is 512. 513 volume. I wonder why it goes. It shows me that. Okay. Yes. That was in the last 15 minutes. As you can see, it says from 1 to 115. Alright, Paul. So I figure it could break past 168. We're still in a good. We're still in a good trade. I think 16,925 is where I put a sell order. Right here's red right there. That's how you know it's a sell order. We passed the high of. Now the new high is 16,472. Okay, we passed. We're getting new highs. 16.5. New high. The last 15 minutes. Year. Pause. Okay, I just sold it right up close to here for what was it? 16,880 instead of 825. I got 821. Just try to redeploy the capital at a better price. I'm gonna pause. Look at the tape for a second. I'm in the Cordero Pines right next door to the Little Roguish. Roguish. You guys see that 60 right there? 45 to 38. I'm thinking about buying that market. I should have. Look at that. I passed the shit out of it. What the fuck? Where did they come from? Anybody know? All right. Get back in. All right, I'm back in. I think. Yeah, I am back in. Yeah, right. 875. See that 16 right there? Drove it down. That drove it down. Isn't that interesting? Look at that 16 right there. 832. It's like all the buyers are gone, right? I'm getting this on record so we can pay attention to how this actually unfolds. I'm not sure if it's actually going to be a lot of sellers, and I'm getting out because I don't like what I'm seeing. And so be it. Sell. $8.14 sell. Market sell. Alright, I'm pausing it. This could sell all the way back down here. I'll buy back in. Boom, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Look, alright, look. What price is that? Buy back in. Limit. Error. Buy back in at that price. What's the matter? Refresh. See, it can't handle the quickness I got. It can't handle it. The quickness, the quick on the drawness that I pulled through it. See, now if I go ahead and let me see, sell, buy at this price down here, about right here. That's where I wanted to put my buy order. 6, 7. Down here, I wanted to buy order down there. They drove the price right back up pretty quick. How many Bitcoin did I get? 4.8. What was my last fill? 16, 7, 9, 8. They're dropping the price back down. I want to get in like right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an order in. Damn, they bought that shit out the fucking frame. Y'all saw that? No reaction time. Just, man, you just have to. This is all go time right here. That they buying, so that's a market buy. Market buy. I bought that. I don't know if I'm getting less Bitcoin or more Bitcoin. It's just a strange thing. I feel like I can't never buy back at lower prices. That tells me that I should stop trying to buy at lower prices. The market is headed up. That's all that means. If I can't buy it back and get more Bitcoin, that means everybody's trying to get more Bitcoin. That's all I can think of. I can't get more Bitcoin than I started off with, but I got more money, or the same amount of money. Strange. I'm just not fast enough. Pause. I feel like selling up here somewhere. It's just how I feel. Fuck it. If I feel like selling, I'm gonna just start selling. How about that shit? That's what I feel like doing. Sell. Oh yeah, this is the button to sell. Alright. Can't have no delays in your reaction, like in your impulse. Like when you're trying to trade, you can't have no apprehensions, no hesitations. You just do this shit right here. Buy 805. What the fuck I said? Buy 805. How many coins I get? 81. That's a bad place. Still losing Bitcoin. I'm steady losing coin. It's crazy. I don't like losing coin. That's a good place, right? That's a good place. Yeah, let's place a buy order right there. Orders. I'm just gonna go to sleep now. If I wake up, if it's placed, cool. If it's below that, a lot of people are saying it's going back down to 10,000. What do you guys think? I think Bitcoin is never going back down to 10,000. It may go back down to where I placed this order, 15,860, but I doubt it's. I'd rather trade when I'm away. Yeah, rather. I don't know. It might be way up. Nobody knows. Were you willing to buy that Bitcoin? That's the question. I'm willing to buy that Bitcoin at 1,600. All right, I'm gonna go to sleep. All right, flush of red coming through. I don't know what if it's going to go higher, if it's going to stay in this range. It could just stay in this range for a while before going higher. I don't think it's going lower. It's already like, you know, where it should be, unless it's people are getting ready to sell off like crazy, and this is a precursor. This right here, I doubt it though. Yeah, I'm still ending up with less Bitcoin trading it. Can't find a nice pullback. Can't sell at the right time, and I can't find the right pullback to buy into. So just ended up with less and less Bitcoin, but I still got $800. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Bitcoin ain't coming down, man. And if it is, you'll never know when to sell it. But I'm just gonna hold my coin, my Bitcoin. All right. Okay. I took half off. Instead of 4.4 Bitcoin, I took half off. I took about 0.2 off. That's 0.2 Bitcoin right here. And what I'm going to do is buy it back around here at this inflection point, and right about there, about 217.201, and buy back 350 and see if that works. Let's see how much I can get back. Trying to get more Bitcoin, trying to figure it out. All right. Pause. Unless you guys want to see the tape roll a little bit. Yeah, we're up to that part where I wanted to sell all of it at. It ended up pulling back right there. Then it went up here. It's pulling back a little bit. It's probably going to end up going up here. I hope it pulls back to right here. If it pulls back right here, I'll buy back, and then heads for it all the way up here past 2,000. This is a looky-loo right here. Look how long it's taking to get back up here. It's a long time. Long time. Oh, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. It's going to buy back my position back right here. Half of my position back right here. So I'll have more Bitcoin if it goes all the way back down. I suspect it will. You'll know if you see a big fat red candle or a couple of red candles right that go right back into this area down here. We'll know. We will know. Yes. Red candles are coming. 15-minute candle chart. Alright. Price chart. 15-minute price chart. 15-minute Bitcoin price chart. I need to learn how to communicate better. I'm sorry. I apologize. I will be working on my communication skills. $17,201. Pause. I had to unpause it right here because look at that. Look at these buyers right here. I want to see if they get ate up or if they get slammed. ate up or something, or if they have to actually hold the chart up or hold the price up right here at the 17,520. Will it go down? 17,520. 17,520. Yeah, they look like the sellers are teaming up on them. They want to get this sold right now. They want these. I don't know what happens right here. I wish I could just really peer into the action. But what happens right here? All we got is this right here, this trade history. Boom, 500, 400, 400, 7, 3, 340, 3, 400, 377, 400, 3, 4, 400, 400, 400, 400. Jesus, my order was right here. I guess I should have put it at 3, way up here somewhere, because look at this. I forgot about this part right here. I forgot about that part. Yeah, it was this part right here held it up before he slammed back into this part. So we got that problem going on. Ayana, get the hell away. Ayana, let's see who is it. Ayana, you can go outside just for a little while. It's already too dark. Take your hat for money, ass for you. Who knows if it ever will go back down here. I'll put an entry in for here, but this part I put it in for here. Okay. Right here. When I should have put it in for like right here. What's the difference? There's a big difference. Obviously, I didn't get filled. Anyways. Pause. That's the difference right there. Look at your screen very closely. $123 is the difference that makes a good trader or a bad trader. All right. That's all I want to say. Let's learn from this together. Pause. Okay, looks like we're headed back down. We might end up bypassing this and hitting this. I notice I still have it at 17,201. Excuse me. $218, $281, $201, $218. I think I gotta make it $218. Cancel. $218. Buy. Now it's $218 again. Because that stuff is crucial. Then it pushed back up from there. It never went back up past there. This part right here. Alright, I'll pause it. Minute 19, 18. Look at that right there. Alright. Wait, let me start making use of my tool. Alright. I should draw that down some, huh? Maybe not. Let's see. 15. It's getting bigger. It was 13. That doesn't mean they're just sitting here. Then they disappear out of nowhere and move up. Green. It went up. Red. Red, red. My earbuds stopped working. Okay. Remember the ones that I broke, the ones that look like they in fashion, the fashionable glasses, the black ones with the little silver dots on the ends. I just want those style. But I'm never gonna get it no cheaper than this. I'm buying. Market. Buy. Market sell. I said market sell. Oh snap. 454. Cancel this order. Market buy. Market buy. Yeah. I can't even get two. I can't get two, man. I'm going down. I suck at this. I'm getting less and less Bitcoin as I trade. It's just crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna put a buy order for 17.3 so I can get at least two back. I need two back. Damn that jack. Damn that jack. Look at that. Did I sell for the 218? No, that's a canceled order. Canceled. Okay, great. What about to say, man? So I could never get up in there for that price. Let's see what's going on now. We'll never head back here. I'm just gonna hold that down. I might just keep my cash. Hell, you will always lose your Bitcoin if you don't hold it. No, I can't accumulate Bitcoin. I'm making money, right? I'm making money, right? But I am not making Bitcoin. It's crazy. Okay, let's check out the mempool. 30-day mempool. It was up high back November 12th. When was Thanksgiving? 24th, 26th, 27th. And then this is around what? After Thanksgiving. That's all we got. But look at the 6th. Look at today. This is the 7th right here. 6th and the 7th. Man, look at my yellow. Doesn't even show up on white. That sucks. Okay. Let's try red. I think this was like Thanksgiving-ish. And this is today. From the 6th to... Look at that. It's crazy, huh? Yeah. What's that like? 6th, 28th. Maybe right here. This was I don't know what day was Thanksgiving. I can't remember the actual day it was. The 23rd. Oh, here it is. Over here. Kind of low. That area right there. And then, bing! That was nothing. That was nothing compared to today, boy. Look at that. We don't know what this is. What is this big old drop down there? What is that about? What day was this? The 12th? Okay. Something that we're going to start keeping a look at. I'm going to take this mempools. This 30-day span, right? And I'm going to push it in to here. What does it look like? Mempool, multi-pool. Where did my mempool go? I want to see what it looks like. Mining rigs, cryptocurrency calendar. I like that site. I haven't even really used it yet. Mempool thing. Oh, here it is. No, this is multi-pool. Here goes my mempool transaction. What do you want to call it? This is called transaction count. Okay. What the hell? What the hell just happened? This is a boring trade, huh? Yeah, this is what traders do, huh? Oh my goodness. Just trying to make a little bit more Bitcoin pop up in my bank account right here. Yeah. On my Coinbase account. You think they're going to tax in dollars or tax in Bitcoin? I mean, if I start trading and gaining more Bitcoin, what do you mean? You're going to tax me for my Bitcoins? There's some idiots. They don't know what to do. Bitcoin is nothing but a Ponzi scheme. If you put your money in it, it's just going to grow. And who's going to be the last one to get in the big Ponzi scheme? All companies are Ponzi schemes. They all start with nothing, and then you put your money in it, and then if you're the first one to adopt it, and it, like, say, turns into Amazon, like, you buy Amazon when it's like, you know, like, what, $3, right? You buy that, 1994, and now look at you. You're rich today. And anyone who else puts their money in right now, they're the last ones to invest. So why isn't that called a Ponzi scheme? You know, I got a theory. They got long Ponzi schemes, and then they got short Ponzi schemes. They're all bubbles that pop one day. Everything. Even gold pops, like it's popping right now. It took Bitcoin to pop the gold bubble. They don't want to say it that way, but you know who's talking like that? Me, crypto trader, mining trades. Roll the tape. Getting ready to push higher, folks. That about it. I gotta buy back in now. Yep. Time to buy. Oh, look. Sellers have showed up against all these buyers. That is interesting. I don't know what they think they're getting ready to do. They sure are eating their ass up, though. Eat them up. Eat them up. I'm saving my little 300 and half or 300 for times when it goes back down here somewhere. People are saying, you know what? I'm thinking this will never ever return back to where it came. It's just never coming. It's never going back. It's never going back. Every time I take money out, I notice this thing never goes back. This is like the bottom now. Like, this is the brand new bottom right here. This thing is a bottom, man. That's it. Ooh, red everywhere. Didn't move nothing. That is crazy. Look at that. The action. Oh, the action. I'm pausing it. Sorry. Here he goes, everyone. I had an epiphany. How can I get more Bitcoin from trading? I can't trade Bitcoin and get more Bitcoin because look at it. That was only this morning. I had my opportunity. I missed it. Okay, this could go straight up from here. Oh no, it could go back down. I almost traded right here and could have got what they call liquidated on the futures contract. But guess what I'm getting ready to do, guys? I'm getting ready to trade on the futures market with leveraged contracts. That's the only thing I could think of. It's extremely risky, but if you win more Bitcoin. They have 100 times leverage, 50 times leverage, 5 times leverage. We got to do this, and we got to be very careful, and I'm going to be recording this, so stay tuned as I get Bitcoin, and I take I'm going to take 0.2 Bitcoin over to this is where we're headed, guys. Are you ready for this? We are headed to bitfinex. I got my Sierra chart connected to it. I gotta send some Bitcoin over here. It's going down. This is bitfinex. Oh yeah, the perpetual swap, 100 times leverage, 1 times leverage. I don't know what the cross is, but I know somebody said they were trading the cross. But this is a place where you can make more Bitcoin or you can lose more Bitcoin. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I've traded on here before and I lost some Bitcoin because it liquidated me, not because I was in the wrong, but because the spike goes down and it'll liquidate that ass in a heartbeat. All right, 1 heartbeat is all it takes for it to spike down real quick and you'll liquidate your ass. You gotta be so understanding and aware of what can happen. All right, I've lost money on here before. I doubt I'll lose money again. I highly doubt it. So stay tuned. That'll be in my next video I post. Right after I oh look, it's coming down. I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin right now. What is it, 17.3? Come on, come down to 17.3 then. Come on, sucker. Come on, sucker. The sell-off. 17.4, 17.3, 17.359, 17.41, 17.360, 17.380, 17.381, 17.383, 17.350, 360. I need you to go to 300. Come on, stop buying it back up. Let it go down to 300. 350, 338, 320, 314, 316, 3. Damn, 200. Fuck, that shit went far as hell. Froze it up. Well, freeze it up then. Filled. I could have put that shit down here some more. It froze up, guys. They're trying to really sell this sucker off. Who is selling? I mean, damn, is it like, it looks like a multitude of people at one time. I'm gonna hit refresh and see what happens. You guys saw that? The sell-off. Damn, I feel like an idiot. I should have just stayed out of the market. It's selling off right now, 17.1. I believe it's going all the way back down to like 15. This could be the perfect time though. 17,100. I mean, this could actually be the perfect time to get in for people who need to get in at a good, decent price. $17.9. Ooh, that's a red candle on a 5-minute chart. That is a red ass candle. Good Lord. I know you guys can't see it, but I sure can. It's already back up to 17,260, 17,300. All right, it's back running. I got another computer over here you guys can't see. Sorry. I'm on the laptop. This is the 15-minute chart. Let's look how that candle looks on a 5-minute chart. Look at that. We're back up. Well, maybe my purchase was a good purchase. How about it? How about it? I could have got down here though, like right there. I mean, where was that at ever in history? Nowhere. You don't find that anywhere. Let me try to see where it's at on the 15-minute chart. That was actually right here again. Oh wow! Actually, it went down to 200. So what are they talking about? It was actually down here. I saw it. I saw this sucker go all the way down here. Yeah, I did. They're buying it back. They're looking at this as a golden opportunity to buy coins. 4-6. It broke through that level. I just sold frozen 16,800. I sold already. It says fill 17.1. My dough's not popping up though. Let me go to my other computer. My other computer's not loading it up. We got major sell-offs happening, guys. And I almost stopped the recording. I was just getting ready to just stop the recording. Like they're not having no more sell-offs. My ass. I wonder if we're gonna head all the way back down to 10,000. This could be it. 16,800. I'm buying back already. 16,800. 16,800. What level is this? The last level we were at was right here, huh? I think it might push back down through there. 16,800, 900, 16,900, 16,900. $1,700. I bought some from my other computer, and this what happens on this computer. I bought me some 0.04638462. It could be selling off again, though. How would I know? Buying it back up, though. I could have got in at 16.8. I got back in at 1,700. Fields were at 1,700 even. Boom. See that? I got 4.6. They're selling off. 1,700 sell off. All right. I think I'll sell. Limit. Sell. Place sell order. Damn, look. I'll have less money than I had before. I think I'm going to trade with this Bitcoin. That's what I plan on doing. Because I think this is a level where they're not actually they're gonna keep buying this up from this level. This is one of those levels. I'm looking at the level and I'm not, it's like it's got to go down here a little bit more. 16, it actually went to 16.8. You can't see that right here because this is a 15-minute candle, but on a 5-minute candle, you'll see it clear as day. 16.8. Isn't that interesting? 16.7. But on a 15-minute candle, it doesn't do you any justice. What is this saying? 17. You know, you can't see that. You can't see it. So why would you even use a 15-minute candle like I've been using this whole time? But right here, you can see it clean as day. 16.7. Let me go back to the 15-minute again. That just looks crazy. 16.8. Well, it does say 16.8. It does say 16.8. Nice. I got more Bitcoin finally. I'll use low, but got more Bitcoin. I got me some more Bitcoin balance. I'm gonna send 2 to. I got more Bitcoin, right? But the moolah is looking strange. Strange indeed. 1700, 17.5. So when I get back to 17.5, that's not gonna look that strange anymore. Watch what I'll tell you, because back up here, I was at 800, but I'm at like close to 800 down here right now. Yeah, that's right. I did it right thing this time. All right. I'm scared to go trade with leverage now because the way this thing dropped out, I was about to trade right here, and that thing would have said blue. I'd have had to put a stop in. I would have got stopped out. Then I would have bought rack in right here, but I feel like it's going lower, but it's probably not. It's like a lot of this just indecision is happening right now, so I'm just going to hold off and keep my little 0.46 Bitcoin. That would be no fun, would it? Wouldn't you like to see me like turn that 0.4 Bitcoin into 0.1/10 of Bitcoin or more? I certainly would like to see me do that. I'll think on it. I'll sleep on it. I might try it. My hand at that. Actually. In the news. 4 hours ago, nice hash. CEO confirms Bitcoin theft worth 78 million. Cryptocurrency mining marketplace, where I have my like $50 or $70 on there. Marketplace nice hash has confirmed yesterday's hack resulted in the loss of over 4,700 BTC. Ow. I saw that on Channel 13 News earlier, too. That hit the news locally here in Las Vegas. Wow. These are instant sell orders, not traders. Those are like exchange orders within inside of GDAX. When people sell off, they initiate sales themselves to cover their buy orders and sell orders. I think they accumulate them and then they take them all at once, and they're probably turning them into cash right there. So the exchange can handle more incoming. So I believe those are like what they call burps. They're burping their system right here. They're gonna buy them back up like that. Right. You know, it's kind of like a burp. It's kind of like what you do if you were saying like making pruno, or you got a baby, you just feeding them. You got a burp or something. Burp. Burp, you know, you just feeding, burp, feeding and burp. This was a long burp time coming, this burp right here. A lot of people call them corrections, but I call them burpees, alright? Alright, I don't care. You guys have a nice night. Burp, bubbles. Burp in the bubble. Bitcoin could happen right now and it'd still be worth $8,000 a coin. So I just need to put some cash to the side to buy that 8,000. If it does like happen, and I don't really have any cash to buy any Bitcoin right now, I mine it. I'm mining it. Look at that. You see that? You see this one? Which one you think is gonna win? They bought it up. All of these people. 22 is nothing compared to 94. 1,700 people are selling that baby. What would I get if I sold this much for? 786. That's all my Bitcoin is worth right now. I got more Bitcoin than I had before, so hey, I need to get back to like sixes. I'm like 2.2 Bitcoin away from where I was really at when it was down to 12,000. Jesus, tradings. That's what happens when you trade altcoins. You go from 6 to 4. You go from 0.6 to 0.4. When you could have just kept your 0.6. Okay? Learn from the crypto trader. Lesson well learned. All right. Lesson learned. All right. I'm gonna go check out an S9. I want to see the price on it. That's not an S9, man. That is not an S9. I mean S7. Man, 4 terahashes. What the freak? What the fuck am I doing with 4 terahashes? 4 terahashes. I got 23 terahashes right here. What the fuck is 4 terahashes gonna cost me? Oh, that's what it'll cost me. $600. Hmm. 0.03 Bitcoin. They think that's a deal? 158 in stock. 4 terahashes, huh? Gotta consider this. Seven, 8, 10. It was just that 7, 9. 7, 8, 10. 7, 8, 10. 7, 8, 9. Eight, 7, 9, 7, 6, 7, 5. 74, 72, 74. Eh, I'm not worried about this thing going that far. If I would have sold right here, I would have been happier. But look how many 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 30 hour and 30 minutes later. That's what we're looking at. That space of time is ridiculous. I'm pausing it. GDAX just froze up. Fuck that. I got out of that. That shit's going. Look at these buyers all of a sudden coming back in. I'm back in there. Ooh, I got 2 less than I had before. That's crazy. .000. That's not nothing. 3 zeros and a 1 is nothing in Bitcoin terms. You know? $3 difference here. Damn, it's hard to tell when this shit's gonna drop. Whew. I'm out of trading juice today. I'm done. Maybe so.
There was a random thing of soap in there. Look at the top. I see it every day.
This thing sold all the way down and just got bought back up from 15. I'm just not sure if this thing is going all the way down. I want to trade this. I think I'm getting ready to trade this seriously. I'm trading this thing. Check out my video from yesterday, trading Bitcoin versus alts all day, where you witness some real good lessons. It's a 4-hour session. December 6th. Today is December 7th. It's Thursday. This was December 6th. So I'm just looking at how this thing is playing out. Like, if I wanted to trade this with the futures contracts, like I'm getting ready to do, I would definitely buy right here. But my Bitcoin isn't on the exchange yet, so what I'm going to get ready to do is send over 0.2 Bitcoin. So let's do it. Let's do it. I'll be trading this first thing in the morning. Yeah, see, this is what it looks like on their exchange. See, this is the, I don't know which one is, this is the perpetual swap. I think this one is more in line with the actual price of Bitcoin. But the actual futures, December 29th, it's like, it's in line with it a little bit closer, but the way these are 5-hour bars, so they look kind of funky. This looks a little bit more cleaner on the 15. You can actually see some of the draw pullbacks. I'm not sure if the support and resistance levels on here actually are respected. I'm gonna have to find out. I'm glad they're using TradingView. I really respect the trading on this platform, because if I put a trade in, as you're going to see, I'm able to slide. I can do chart trading right here, right in the chart. So I'll pick this up in the morning, right here. BitMEX. Let's see. I think you go to account, then you go to deposit, you take this, copy it, then you go into withdraw, Bitcoin address, .2, and right here. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to send it right now. It should be there in the morning. All right. We'll see. 913.2. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Continue this in the morning. What is my Google Authenticator code? All right. Here you guys hack my account. Go right ahead. I'd like to see you try that. All right. Is that it? Is that it? Yup. Not a valid address, no. Oh, look, it's got a space behind it. It's crazy. We still have those problems, now. They got BitMEX in front of that shit. And that's going to be all-nighter. Yep. Awesome platform, guys. Awesome platform. You can do some awesome shit with this too. You can move this around, you know, like that. You can put your recent trades over here. You don't want them over there, you can put them over here. You know, I might want that over there. You know, these recent trades are interesting too. You gotta look at these. Maybe if you need to. I mean, I don't know. You got a good little visual right here on the trades happening. Sometimes I think this is manipulated. I gotta get my my trading view app up on one screen. Pull this thing up like that. I don't think this goes anywhere. We're gonna do what you guys want to see. 100 times leverage. I'll do 100 times leverage on the ass. Yeah, I would. Contract details. What I'm gonna have to do though is go over some of these like these contracts. This is the actual value of Bitcoin. That's what a lot of people don't know. I'm just learning about this, but I'm gonna go and get really acquainted with the actual values, because the way these contracts trade, they're just a really different beast. And you can get liquidated on a down move like this, right? And it'll still go up. And you could have made money, but right here, you didn't know that little whipsaw right there. That's why that 100 times contract is dangerous. If it just goes straight up, that 100 times contract can make you probably $100,000 or so on one Bitcoin. I mean, on 0.1 Bitcoin on a tenth of Bitcoin. I don't know. 100,000. That sounds impossible, right? Yeah, it does. But believe it or not, you're dealing with leverage. This is a highly leveraged product right here. Look at that. I can, if I have my contracts, if I have my Bitcoin over here, I'll enter this trade right here. I would enter this trade right now. Let me see. I'll show you guys how this looks. $20, right? Let's see. 100 times leverage. Let's see. Can I? Okay, let's buy a contract. Order submitted. Cannot be submitted. Executed. Order will lead to immediate liquidation. All right, let's try one contract. Let's try $5 worth. Let's see. Buy. No, not enough money. Let's try $1 contract. Where's my thing at down here? Oh, let's see. Status rejected. I need dough on here. Clear. I can't even buy one contract. You know you suck when you can't buy one contract. What you got on there? I got $1.50 on here. Yeah, that's $1.50 on there. Contract value 1 USD. So if I buy what is Bitcoin's value? 16,188. 100 times leverage. That means I have 100 Bitcoins right now. Notional value. Do they even show that? I would need leverage of this. I can actually get away with this. I could. Let me see. What would the let's calculate the margin on that. What was that? 16,100 margin. I would have margin on because I just sent 4 over there. So I can trade this trade 4 times 1 Bitcoin times 100 leverage. Okay. My question is, what's the difference? What if I went short, long, short, long? don't see profit and loss. Exit price. Okay. Exit price will be, let's say, entry price would be 6,000. Let's even this out. 16,000. Exit price would be, let's just say, move to 100, which we know Bitcoin does easily. And ROE, what the hell is that? Anybody? It's saying a question mark, but it's nothing pop. This is your P&L. Can I move this thing around? Oh man, come on. Can't even move this thing around. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, you can move it around. There we go. So what is this ROE shit? It's popping up behind the fucking thing, so you can't fucking read it. Who designed this? Oh Lord, this is the dumbest thing. And look, it posted it. Ooh. All right. What the hell? ROE. This is your P&L percent used to open the position. Whatever. Profit and loss. Liquidation. Entry price. Leverage. One quantity. 16,048. Entry price 1,600. Liquidation price would be 15. So we'd have to go down to 15,929. So see how close that is. 15,921. 15,920. Boom! As soon as it touches that, you get liquidated. That's what that means. If I was to trade with that right there. Liquidation price. So the quantity, let's halfen this to 8,000. What's the liquidation price on that? It's still the same shit. What the fuck? What if I trade with 1,000? Resulting quantity. Liquidating price. Damn. You can't trade like that. That's not going to work. So the leverage has to be something like let's try 5 times leverage. Oh, that's a lot better. Because you don't want to get liquidated. I'm going to trade with $800. No, I'm trading with $300 tomorrow. So let's try 10 times leverage. Now, that looks a lot better. That damn thing go down to 14.6. I get liquidated. Look at that. Now that's how you trade 10 times leverage. Now you get to this 100 times. Your stop. They say your stops don't get hit that easily when you're not trading on $100 100 times leverage. What about 50 times leverage? That's reasonable. 15.7. That's like right there. I'm still scared of that. Need more money. If I were to do a quantity of, let's say, 1,600. All right. And I did a 10 times leverage. Let's say 25 times leverage. 15.4. That's still too close for me. Too close for comfort. Let's try 15. That's still close. Let's try 10 times leverage. 14.6. Now that's a lot better. See that 10 times leverage? That's going to work tomorrow. That's going to work. This lets you trade what's in your wallet. So let's say I put 02 in there tomorrow. whatever what's in my wallet will liquidate me at. I just don't know how you get paid out. What if I did a 800? Oh, it changes the liquidating price. 800 contracts. I think I might want to trade crosses. This is $800 right here. What happens if it moves up or down though? Liquidating price 26,000. If I go short, oh, that's gonna be lovely. I like these numbers. These numbers are pretty brilliant. All right, target price. I don't know how to use this either. 100% side loan. Target price, 10 leverage, 15, 17, entry, 15, 7. That's the price where it's at now. And entry, yeah, this thing they're selling off. They are selling off these motherfuckers here. And now I can hedge my Bitcoin right now. This is supposed to be ledger. I can ledge the half of Bitcoin I got if only I have my available balance showed up. I'm gonna learn how to use this. It's 926. They got a XBT guide right here. 100 times. What's that? XBT 100 times. What's that 100 times mean? I don't know. That's crazy. That's what I'm looking at right here. Contract details. Yeah. What about perpetual swappies? Perpetual swappies. What is this ROE? That is crazy. All right, we gotta figure this stuff out tomorrow. All right, let me click on this one here. That's 100 times too. 100 times leverage. I'm gonna do 10 times, 10 times, and then risk limit, order value, 16. That'd be 1. The total notional value of this order is 1 Bitcoin. That's what that is, huh? So what if I did 8,000? What would that be? 8,000. Total notional value of this is 0.04. Yeah, that's what I want to use. Hey, that's 800, not 8,000. Now that's a half a Bitcoin right there. That's what I thought. See, you can see that right there. That's what these contracts mean. 100 more contracts. All right. No, I don't. $100. Let's try 4. Let's try $350. 0.2. That's what I sent over. Okay, so let's try 200. All right, 0.1. Yeah, we want to start doing these things with $50. We want to $50 in it, and the cost of a $50 is like 0.3. That's about what? 0.0003. That's $5 a trade. Okay, the cost of that trade. Okay. Yeah. This thing's gonna be ready to head back upwards. In the meantime, we're gonna just watch this shit fall. Watching my Bitcoin just fall. Watching Bitcoin price fall. Fall, fall, fall. Alright. What a day. 18,000. Definitely past 18,000. I don't know what this contract is talking about. This perpetual swap shit needs to get checked. Bitcoin was way up here, 19,000. Let's see. Litecoin contract. I need something liquid. The sell-off, baby. The sell-off. I just want more Bitcoin. I don't even give a fuck about the dollar value any longer. This is where I could trade straight Bitcoin and really put some trade skills to work and see if I can get paid. All right. We just don't want to get liquidated. That'll be a downfall, and that's what we really want to focus on. All right. We're moving into Bitcoin trading futures. All right. Tomorrow morning. Check you. 9:30. Good night, everybody. This time, good night for real. I'm stopping this shit.